Okay, here I am again, and I'm working on the same pattern, the Scarlett top. Only this time I'm doing it in the panels that the pattern suggests. They say do the back panel, then do the front and the other front, and then you have to stitch them up together on the sides. Now she recommends a stockingette stitch, that's what this is, and I'm doing it on the armhole decreasing, but I started with a garter stitch. See how they look different? They actually feel different as well. This feels thicker. This is not as thick, but I like the design, and I think the stockingette shows up the wool differently. I actually like it better. But anyways, I'm doing my decreases. This is how much I've got done of the back panel in 1 week.